This 5-minute solution will show you how to make TikTok account private. To protect your TikTok account, you can make your TikTok account private. Just follow these simple steps to do it. Open your TikTok app and open your profile. Tap on this hamburger menu at the top right. Settings and privacy. And here you will get the private account option. So to make your TikTok account private, toggle this switch on. After making your TikTok account private, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.